Namba ya arutwo thukuru-ini cia TVET ikoretwo ikiongerereka o mwaka na mwaka uyu gicunje kia 49.1 kia arutwo aria mekire kigeranio gia KCSE mwaka muhituku nio magairwo mieke ya guthomera kothi itiganite thukuru-ini ici. Na riri a Kenya mambiriirie kuhimbiria thukuru ici, thirikari iri ihenya-ini ria kurunga mitaratara ya mathomo niguo kuhe arutwo kanya kega ga kwigwatira utaramu uria urabatarania mirutire-ini ya wira ya ihinda riri. Umuthi Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu nierekereirie maumirira ma igeranio cia arutwo 15,000 aria marekire igeranio gatagati ka mweri wa gatatu na mweri wa kanana mwaka uyu. Riri gikundi kingi kia arutwo matanyihiire 100,000 matanyitwo gugatiriha mathomo mao mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka ukite.
This research not only showcase the academic excellence of our trainees but also serve as a reflection of the quality of education provided by our TVET institutions and also support the commitment of the Kenya Kwanza administration on youth skilling and employment.
For working tirelessly to ensure that the results are released. This is a clear indicator to all Kenyans and Kenyan parents and student education stakeholders and even our international partners that TVET CDAC is ready to lead the way. This will restore Kenyans' confidence in TVET.
Niguo gukinyaniria mathomo thukuru-ini ici, Ministry ya Githomo yugite gicunje kia 70% kia mathomo maria arutwo marathoma kirikoragwo ari practicals.
Dual training where we have at least the theory if it is 30% and the practical 70%. And kindly each and every TVET institution must also be able to ensure that for the success of the entire program of TVET, we must have this one in place. This one, there is no choice.
Our TVET transformations are going on well. I want to commend these institutions, CS, for the tireless effort in ensuring that our trainers are recrafted to a position where they are able to empower our young people with the much needed skills.
Thiini wa budget ya mwaka uyu thukuru cia TVET igairwo mwigana wa shiringi bilioni 9 mbeca iria kuhuthika kugacirithia mitaratara ya mathomo ari hamwe na kwandika wira arutani 2,000. Akiaria ciĩgiĩ maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCSE, Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu augite ati Ministry ya Githomo nirathugunda mutaratara wa gukanirira maumirira maya, akiuga rita riri maumirira maya matikaheanwo kuhitukira ndumiriri nguhi cia thimu.
As I will be releasing the KCSE, the Form 4 exam, we will also not now use the SMS. The engineers are working on some kind of website from the ministry so that people will be able to access it free of charge.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduru.